Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how often TransUnion updates your credit report. TransUnion, like the other major credit bureaus, updates credit reports when they receive new information from your creditors. This usually happens at least once a month. There is no set day of the month when your credit report is guaranteed to refresh. The timing depends on when each individual lender, like a bank or credit card company, reports your payment and balance information to TransUnion. Since different creditors report on different schedules, your credit report can actually change multiple times a month as new information is added. This is why you might see your credit score fluctuate throughout the month. It's important to remember that it can take a month or more for a payment you've made to be reflected on your report. If you pay off a large debt, for instance, it won't show up immediately, but will likely be updated the next time that creditor reports to TransUnion. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.